Good morning, good morning. The girls say hi. I don't know how well you can see them. So it is Sunday and we are headed out on a hike. We are going outside of Idaho Springs today, about 45 minute drive from our house. I forget what the hike was called. Let me see if I can pull it up real quick. The girls are very excited. So for my hikes, I always use the All Trails app to find good hikes, look at reviews, look at the length of the hike, the difficulty level of the hike, what people say the parking is like, if it's a really busy trail, if dogs are allowed, things like that. So we are doing the Chief Mountain Trail. It claims to be just a 3.1 mile moderately trafficked out and back trail near Idaho Springs. So it's a short hike, but it does have decent elevation gain, almost 1,000 feet. And it claims to have really gorgeous views up top. So let's go. So, tip of the day, if you guys are doing this Chief Mountain Trail, and you use the All Trails app, do not let it take you through Idaho Springs. My maps was like all sorts confused, and it took us through Idaho Springs and then onto this dirt road, which luckily we took last year when we were up here seeing the fall colors. So Andrew knew where we were. But it's much easier if you basically go through Evergreen, right? That's what you're saying?
I believe so.
And onto Squaw Pass Road. So, if you're doing this trail, do that. Although, it is a pretty dirt road it took us on. Really pretty views, and it is a good spot to look at trees in the fall. So, you know, you win some, you lose some. Go, Kona. Go ahead. Grab her real quick. Let's see.
Okay.
Looks like there's a really pretty view over here. Whew. Out of breath. Oh yeah. A little bit of snow on top of the mountain still. Let's see. A little sketchy right here. Oh god. Oh wow. Great piano. Alrighty, so we just finished our hike. What did it say, like about 3.5 miles round trip. And that always includes a little bit of stepping off to different rocks and whatnot to see the view. But tips if you're coming up this way or hiking in Colorado in a hole, go early. We even got a little bit of a late start from what we normally try to do. I think we started the hike at about 10 a.m. and it couldn't have been more perfect because we just got to our car and it is raining. I don't know if you can see that. But in the mountains here, you can almost guarantee a storm almost every day, and it's super dangerous if you're on the top of the mountain. Which this one was amazing because I'm sure, as you saw, is full panoramic views all the way around. But you definitely wouldn't want to be exposed up there if there's a lightning storm that rolled in. But yeah, great little hike. Pretty steep incline, but quick. If you have dogs with you, just make sure they don't get too overheated if you're in the middle of summer like we are, because Aggie, with her black fur, got pretty hot up top, so we didn't get to spend too much time up there. But otherwise they're good. Headed to lunch.